Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the UpSex online sport program. Here I am your teacher Kalsoom Akhtar. Our today's subject is English literature. This video is for class 3. Let's start our lesson. Ladybird Reader, the Pied Piper of Hamelin. Page number 14 to 17. Chapter The Pied Piper of Hamelin. The resources required for this reader book breakup. Introduction. The Pied Piper of Hamelin, also known as the Pen Piper or the Rat Catcher of Hamelin, is the titular character of a legend from the town of Hamelin. The legend dates back to the Middle Ages. The earliest references describing a Pied Piper dressed in multicolored clothing, who was a rat catcher hired by the town to lure rats away with his magic pipe. Lure means greediness. When the citizens refused to pay for this service as promised, he retaliates by using his instruments' magical power on their children, leading them away as he had the rats. The objectives of this are students will be able to observe and discuss the pictures, will be able to read and comprehend the text, will be able to answer the relevant questions. Add the following words in your vocabulary book. Hamelin. You will learn these words with spellings. The first word is Hamelin. Hamelin. Shouted. 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 Leave. Leave. Mayor. Mayor. Away. Away. Activity 1. Read the passages with correct pronunciation and intonation, and you will also read the text with fluency. Let's start the reading. The people of Hamelin went to see the mayor. "Make these rats leave the town," they shouted. "What can I do?" said the mayor. "There are rats in my house too. I have tried and tried to make them leave. They won't go." Here people are shouting on the mayor. "You must make all the rats leave." The people said, "If you don't make them go away, we will choose another mayor." Here people are threatening to the mayor that if he will not try to go away the rats from the Hamelin, then they will be forceful to choose another mayor. Activity 2. You will find out the answers of these questions from the text pages. Question number 1 is, why did the people of Hamelin could go to see the mayor? Question number 2 is, what did the Pied Piper say to the mayor? Remember to Read the passages with correct pronunciation and intonation. Intonation means the rise and fall of the voice. Draw margin lines on both sides of page. Write date, day and topic. Underline the topic. Answer the questions. Recheck your work. Thank you so much.